Here we have a 1985. It's a RU8. It's a pipe construction trailer. It's got your pipe clear overhead, pipe frame. Got your brush fenders on it. It's 20 foot long, 6 foot wide, 6.5 foot tall. It's got your 8-hole wheels on it. Brakes on all 4 axles. Got your flanges. 16-inch tires. It's got a lot of rust on it. Needs a floor, but these things are really good trailers. It's got your sliding gate here. This is kind of loose. That's what happens. You push that and you get your goddamn finger in there.
Okay.
Guys, these are extremely stout trailers now. Got a title. You may have to put a got your 2 5/16 ball on it. It's got your spare wheel on it. Car. This has never been on the ground. It's still got the mold marks on it.